Collagen is the most abundant protein found in the body. It makes up about 30% of all the protein in your body and can be found in skin, bones, muscles, and organs. Just about everywhere in the body. It gives skin its elasticity and replaces dead skin cells. Collagen can make your joints, tendons, and bones stronger, as well as support healthy skin, hair, and nails. One study shows that consuming enough collagen improves facial skin moisture, elasticity, reduces wrinkles, and skin texture issues. As you get older, the collagen production is decreased, so you'll need to get more of this vital nutrient from your diet. Recently, collagen has gained popularity in the form of supplements. However, did you know that you can also eat collagen-rich foods? But before we continue, just a quick reminder, this video is for information purposes only. Here are the best naturally high collagen foods. Bone broth. Bone broth stands out as one of the most abundant sources of collagen protein. Whether you choose beef, pork, or chicken bone broth, all of them are excellent sources of collagen. It contains a form of collagen your body can easily absorb, which means your body can use it right away. Bone broth also contains lots of vitamins and minerals, like vitamin C, zinc, and copper, which all help make collagen. Additionally, it has a natural anti-inflammatory effect, which can help to repair leaky gut as well. Fish. Fish is another collagen-rich food source. Similar to other animal products, fish contains collagen in its connective tissues and bones. Marine collagen peptides, MCPs, are derived from fish skin and scales. Research suggests that fish collagen offers similar anti-aging benefits to beef collagen. Collagen from fish is more easily absorbed by the body compared to collagen from meat. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera has been shown to boost the production of collagen in the skin, which can reduce wrinkles and give a more youthful-looking skin. It helps the skin rebuild collagen faster and prevents the breakdown of existing collagen. Aloe vera gel also hydrates the skin and increases the skin's elasticity, which can help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Eggs. As you know, eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, but you may not know is egg whites are rich in the amino acids, especially glycine, proline, and leucine, which are essential for the body to produce more collagen. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C is important for making collagen by linking amino acids together. Eating fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin C can boost your collagen production. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons are a good choice. Just one navel orange provides 139% of the recommended daily value of vitamin C. If you're too busy to eat these foods regularly, you can try taking collagen supplements. They're a convenient and easy way to hit your daily intake. Check out the link below for more details. We hope you found this information easy to understand. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward health tips. Take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.